You wash your shirts, you wash your socks, and you definitely wash your underwear. But according to some people, there is one piece of clothing that should stay far away from your washing machine: your jeans. Some denim enthusiasts wait months before washing a new pair. Others claim that good jeans should almost never be washed at all, and a few people have reportedly worn the same pair for years with little more than occasional spot cleaning. But jeans collect sweat, skin oils, dirt, and odors, just like everything else we wear. So are you actually supposed to wash them? Or have millions of us been slowly ruining our favorite jeans without realizing it? The answer is yes. You should wash your jeans, just probably not as often as you think. Today we're examining where the no washing rule came from, what water and detergent actually do to denim, why raw denim fans treat their jeans differently, and the best way to keep your jeans clean without wearing them out prematurely. If you enjoy discovering the hidden explanations behind familiar things, subscribe to Questions Answered, and tell us in the comments how often you wash your jeans. To understand the debate, we first need to understand denim. Traditional denim is a strong cotton fabric made with a twill weave. That weave produces the familiar diagonal pattern visible when you look closely at a pair of jeans. Most blue denim also uses indigo dye. Unlike many dyes that penetrate deeply into a fiber, indigo tends to remain closer to the surface of the yarn. As the jeans are worn, washed, and rubbed against everyday surfaces, some of that color gradually disappears. The fabric becomes lighter around areas that receive the most movement and friction. That is why old jeans often develop pale lines around the knees, pockets, thighs, and creases. For most people, that fading is simply part of owning jeans. For serious denim enthusiasts, however, it can be the entire point. The no washing idea is especially connected to raw denim. Most jeans sold today have already been treated before reaching the store. Manufacturers may wash, soften, fade, distress, or pre-shrink the fabric to create a particular appearance and feel. Raw denim receives much less of that treatment. It usually begins stiff, dark, and relatively uniform. As someone wears it, the denim bends repeatedly around that individual person's body. Waiting before the first wash allows strong, personalized fade patterns to develop around the knees, pockets, and hips. Washing the jeans early can soften those contrasts and create more even fading across the garment. So when enthusiasts say not to wash jeans, they are not usually claiming that water somehow destroys all denim. They are often trying to control exactly how a special pair of raw jeans will age. That advice eventually escaped the denim community and became a broad internet rule applied to every pair of jeans. But the average pair of modern, pre-washed jeans is not the same thing as a pair of untreated raw denim. And most people are more concerned with cleanliness and comfort than producing the perfect fade pattern. Washing jeans does several things at once. Water and detergent remove sweat, skin oils, dirt, food, and substances the fabric collects throughout the day. The movement inside a washing machine also creates friction. That friction, combined with water and detergent, can loosen some dye and gradually wear the fibers. Warm water and high dryer temperatures may increase fading and shrinkage. Repeated washing can therefore make jeans look older more quickly. But wearing dirty jeans indefinitely can also shorten their useful life. Dirt and grit can become trapped between fibers and create abrasion as the fabric moves. Body oils and stains can become more difficult to remove if they remain in the material for too long. And once a pair smells unpleasant, airing it out may not solve the underlying problem. So washing is not the enemy. Unnecessary washing is the bigger issue. There is no perfect number that works for everyone. Someone wearing jeans in an air-conditioned office will treat them very differently from someone doing outdoor work in hot weather. The decision depends on how long you wore them, what you did, how much you perspired, and whether the jeans are visibly dirty or stained. As a practical rule, jeans can normally be worn several times before washing. Some guidance suggests around 3 wears. Some denim brands suggest 5 to 10 wears when conditions allow. But the calendar matters less than the condition of the garment. Wash them sooner when they smell, have visible dirt, become stained, or were worn during sweaty activity. A brief clean indoor wear may not justify an immediate trip through the laundry, and small marks can sometimes be spot cleaned without washing the entire garment. Your care label should still be the final authority, especially when jeans contain stretch fibers, coatings, decorations, or unusual materials. When it is time to wash your jeans, a few simple choices can reduce fading and wear. First, turn them inside out. This reduces direct friction against the visible outer surface. Fasten the zipper and buttons, then wash the jeans with similar dark colors. Use cold water, a gentle cycle, and a reasonable amount of mild detergent. Avoid overloading the machine because clothing needs room to move and rinse properly. Unless the label says otherwise, air drying is usually the gentlest option. High dryer heat can contribute to shrinkage, fading, and damage to elastic fibers found in stretch denim. If you use a dryer, choose a lower setting and remove the jeans before they are excessively dry. These steps will not keep denim looking brand new forever. Nothing will. Fading is part of what makes jeans distinctive. The goal is not to stop aging completely, but to avoid accelerating it unnecessarily. So are you supposed to wash your jeans? Yes. Jeans are clothing, and clothing eventually becomes dirty. But they usually do not require washing after every single wear. The famous no washing rule contains a small amount of truth wrapped inside a major exaggeration. Frequent washing can fade denim, soften it, and shorten its lifespan. Delaying every wash forever can leave you wearing jeans filled with accumulated sweat, oils, stains, and dirt. The sensible answer sits between those extremes. Wear them more than once when they are still clean. Spot clean minor marks. Wash them when they actually need it. And use cold water and gentle treatment when you do. Raw denim collectors may follow stricter routines because they are trying to create a particular appearance. But for the average person, the best denim care rule is much simpler. Do not wash your jeans constantly. Do not avoid washing them forever. Wash them with purpose. The next time someone tells you that jeans should never enter a washing machine, remember that the rule was never really meant for every person or every pair. It came largely from people trying to preserve dark indigo and control how raw denim fades. For ordinary jeans, washing is perfectly normal. You just do not need to do it every time you wear them. Thanks for watching Questions Answered. If you enjoyed learning the truth behind this everyday debate, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.